Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to simply edit message in WhatsApp without any stress. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here. So welcome back to this video. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my WhatsApp. The next thing you want to do is to simply click in contact. So I'm going to click on this particular contact right here. So I'm going to make a type, are you at home now? Okay. Then I'll put a question mark. Then I'll send just like so. Now this is what I'm intended to send. And I'll make sure the message delivers. But when the message delivers, I can simply click and hold down. And then when you click and hold down, this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do to edit the message, you just need to click on these three dots from the top right here. Then make sure you click on edit right here. Click on edit. Just like so. This is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply correct your message sentence. So, are you at home? Just like so. You can also add emoji. So I'm going to click on here to select an emoji. Then I'll click on here just to send. Simple as that. And the receiver is not going to know if you edit the message. Simple as that. So basically, this is how to edit WhatsApp message without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.